Natural ingredients in hair products can gently yet effectively help to impart vitamins, minerals, oils, and botanical extracts to the scalp and the hair follicles. They can also gently stimulate the growth of new hair, help hair retain its natural moisture, and enhance the overall texture and appearance of the hair. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY shampoo for shiny hairs. You will need 2 tablespoons of rinna powder. It helps to detangle your hair and reduce frizz, and thus making it easier to manage your hair. Rinna powder can help strengthen hair follicles, promoting thicker, fuller hair over time. It can also help prevent breakage and split ends, leading to thinner-looking hair. 2 teaspoons of your favorite shampoo. It may clean the oily secretions in the skin and might be used as a cleanser for hair and a hair tonic as it forms a natural lather. Mix these 2 ingredients until to get smooth paste, apply all over your hairs and wash it off with plain water.